Greetings and salutations. It is Carla Moore from MooreTalkJa. I'm just write a poem and well, it name wordy, but I don't really like the name because the name just seemed very self-evident to me. Anyway, so the name probably changed, but for right now it name worthy. So I'm gonna read it for you. Excuse the fact that my ear look like pinhead right now. You know, so sometimes you just feel newbie and them something there. And also when you have natural ear, if you want it to go out and away from your head, you have to do all kind of things. Because you know, so naturally like for me type of ear just want to be cuddly with my skull for no reason. Anyway, so the point here, I'm gonna talk about it after. Who is worthy of belief? Believing in? The child who can't walk good? The pitney with chat bad? The one with the big forehead and the buck teeth? The fat one who can't even run in a PE? The one who counts slow? The one who count letter instead of read word? The one who sits at the back and never asks a question, already knowing failure? Cuff in him head at night time. He made tough like a rock. Who is worthy of belief? Believing in? The girl who starts having sex too early, 5 boyfriends by the time she is 13 and no hymen in sight. You feel you're a big woman because you start take man. When me not pay for no school for no big woman in here, go look man with money for mine you. The boy who talks like a girl, too soft, too weak, no interest in kicking ball at all. Beat him back at the school building and everybody a laugh. Beat him double hard when you hear say him good on the maths. Faggot. And nerd. The woman with 5 children by 6 men. As she got down, she come up. Not to mention the belly them where she dash west cemetery plot to call her name. The man with no job. Big greyback man, a beg, despite him strong body and what you presume is a strong mind. Who is worthy of belief? Picky head, dry knee and black like a night. Accent deep till even Jamaica not understand what you say. Big red and sour with a woman just like your whoring girl with no look nothing about her. Mama man, we not even love girl. Who is worthy of belief? Believing in? You? Me? Who were we when this started? Picky head and buck teeth. No lie relaxer and 2 years of braces later. Years in the AC so the skin finally cool. You not look nothing like your market woman mother or your father will drive taxi and you're there to make the world know you're better than what you used to be. Better than who? Your own mother? We take in washing to put you through. Scrub floor when she now work field. Then your own father will work 20 hours a day and can't stand up straight sick at the time the man try rob him and stab him in his leg. You better than them? What about your little cousin? We are playing at the dirt. In the old clothes where you carry down a yard go donate. You better than them too. Because you know Jimmy Choo. And go in a restaurant with French name at night time. You better than them. Them worthy? More or less than you. The same? And when you do something for your niece and nephew, a charity, right? The one with the more I get to the less fortunate. Despite the fact you're in the same dirt pile there, you cut your teeth. And I'm back at the same banana tree near the latrine, you get your first kiss. But now you look like somebody worthy of believing in. Before it was just chance. And you're too stupid to change your mind but who look worthy. Happy to be the anomaly and not the rule. Who is worthy of belief? Believing in? You? Me? None? All? All. So, what is the inspiration behind this? Strangely enough, it's actually from Ariana's song. The song called Half of Me, and there's this one line where she says, talking about the children, not the type of kid you would believe in. And it got me thinking, and you know, so when Rihanna inspired me, it must be a thing. It got me thinking about who we think is worthy of belief or having somebody believe in them, right? And a lot of who we think is worthy of having somebody believe in them have to do with somebody who either look like them have it together or look like them are going to make it out either way. So them either are going to one good school already or them are fight and them are do all the things them where you feel that them should have do. So if it's a girl, she keep herself principle, she not talk to no boy, she only study her book. If it's a boy, then him outside a kickball and him a play sports and all of them something the way society tell him supposed to do. You know, if it's a woman, then if she have a baby, then she have one baby and she have it with one man and she and the man is still together and all of them type of something there. And it, you know, you normally it's a brown smarty rather than somebody with dry head, picky head, all of them something there. And then we look on it and we say, but look at the whole we start out though. Like me was just a little fat girl from Linksted. Me is just a little fat girl from the country right now. If them they got pick people for believing that, them really wouldn't probably pick me for believing that. Them have plenty other people born at Kingston and all of them type of something there who them probably would be more likely to believe in. But my mother believing in me, my father believing in me, my family believing in me, my friend them believing in me, and now I come to a point where I have people in Jamaica and the diaspora and even outside of that too believing in me. So I feel that time come now for we start think again, but who it is we think is worthy of belief and believing in. And we need to stop look on people and just judge them and decide say nothing good now come out of them. I have to stop tell people say, yo, you're not gonna turn in on nothing, you're not gonna weigh because you're not doing nothing with your life. Where we can look on some people and say, yeah, they might do some things I may not agree with, but here is what is valuable about them. You can sing, you can dance, you can run good, you can spell good, you can talk good. And even if you can't do them something there, let me see if we can get you to a point where, yeah, in your own right, you can find a way for shine. That's all me I wonder. Who is worthy of belief and believing in? And plenty of time when we move away from home and we get catch up in a hype life, we see one turn around and look on the place where we come from and judge it. And look on people still dead and go on like them worse off than we. When at the same dirty pile where them come out and we did come out and look where we there. As if where we there now is any better than the dirty pile. Because Jah know would I give up plenty things I have right now for go right back on my father piece of farm and stick apart. So I don't know, I just listen there today. When I just think about who is worthy of belief and who look worthy, I feel so we need to start do some deeper thinking upon that. Because them probably wouldn't choose me against the odds. And they probably wouldn't choose you too. I mean, I'll turn around to that to somebody. Enjoy your Friday. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.